What remains when the noise falls away? There are times when the world becomes loud, voices gather, opinions multiply. Urgency moves from one person to another until even that which is not yours begins to feel as though it requires your attention. And slowly, beneath all that sound, you may lose awareness of the quieter voice within you. Not because it has stopped speaking, but because you have been listening to everything else. This week, you are invited to notice what remains when the noise falls away. Not merely the noise around you, the noise within you, the rehearsed conversation, the imagined outcome, the question you have answered 100 times without receiving new information, the need to understand what has not yet revealed itself. Let these things become quiet. You do not need to fight them. You do not need to silence them by force. Simply stop feeding them your attention, for attention is nourishment. And what you continually turn toward will continue to ask something of you. This week, choose carefully what you feed. There is wisdom beneath the repetition. There is knowing beneath the questioning. There is a still place within you that has not been altered by the confusion surrounding it. Return there, and when you do not immediately ask it for an answer. Sit with it. Become acquainted again with the part of yourself that does not require constant explanation. You may discover that clarity does not always arrive as a thought. Sometimes it arrives as relief, sometimes as the sudden absence of resistance, sometimes as the realization that you no longer feel compelled to pursue what once consumed you. Pay attention to those quieter forms of knowing. They are easily overlooked because they do not announce themselves. They simply remain. And that is their strength. The truth does not always compete for your attention. It can afford to wait. So let the unnecessary exhaust itself. Let the unanswered questions rest unanswered for a while. Let other voices belong to those who speak them, and listen for what is still there when nothing is demanding to be heard. You may find that beneath all you have been trying to determine, something within you has been quietly certain all along. This week, do not search for the loudest answer. Listen for what remains. Divine Spirit.